Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful mirror work designing using the normal stitching needle. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with this designing. I'll be applying the glue to stick the piping cord. This is how it looks, and on that I'll be giving padded load stitch using anchor thread of red color, 6 strands thread and size 60 number needle. I'll be working to create this padded load stitch. It's just so simple. Place it slantingly or crossly like this and give the stitches. The stitches should be very nearer. It should not left any gaps. And now I'll be using small chain ball lace which is of gold color, applying the glue lines on both the sides, and on this now I'll be sticking the small size of chain ball lace. Instead of chain ball lace, you can also try with the stone lace, pearl lace or other color stones. And now I'll be using red, blue and gold color mirror frame rings, also plastic mirrors of circular shape, and applying the glue to stick firstly the mirror followed with the mirror ring like this. These mirror rings are easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops, or else I've shown how to make it at home without using the ring. You can also try or check out the details available in the description box. So here I'll be sticking red color mirror ring first, followed with blue, then next to that gold zeri thread mirror ring. So here we are working with the multi colors, so the cycle will be followed in this way only: red, blue and gold color. It's up to you. You can use n number of colors. Also you can also try with the single color also, which will really gives an unique look. And now I'll be using big size of chain ball lace. This is how it looks, measuring all around, placing it all around this circular shape, and accordingly I have cut this much length. So applying the glue to stick the chain ball lace. As I said before itself, if you're not comfortable using the chain ball lace, because so many complaints have been receiving that it's been fading out, so you can also try with the stone lace or the pearl lace. It's an option. Or else you can use the beads and give the stitch by joining the beads all around this mirror frame. I hope this is clear to know. Having any doubts, you can write to me in the comment section. Please do leave your valuable feedbacks, which really important for me to create these type of patterns. And now I'll be using circle kundan of silver color, also drop shape kundan of silver color, small size. Applying the glue dots, so we should not left any gaps, and on the top I'll be applying the glue lines of 3 like this. So on these dots I'll be sticking circle kundans of small size like this, and on the top I'll be sticking on the lines with drop shape kundans 3. This is how the design will be continued completely on the neckline. And the sleeves is completely designed, that means overall designed on sleeves. So 3 to 4 lines we have to create it like this only. This would be the first line. The same way you have to continue second line and third line to complete the sleeves pattern. These designer blouses are so simple, creative and it looks stylish. If you have any occasions or parties immediately next day, you can try these patterns. I'm sure you will be rewarded for your work. And recently I'm getting so many comments. I'm so glad to receive that you are liking my work and you are following, also trying it. I'm so happy for that. The pictures had been posted in the Facebook page. I'm liking it so much. I'd be thankful to you all. And as this is completely dried, I'd be giving an invisible stitches on it on the complete chain ball lace. Here I'd be working with the cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches on it. And that's it friends, this is how it looks. I'm done with this designing. Really friends, this is really looking so awesome and pretty. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.